Happening right now, jury selection in the Julie Schenecker murder trial is underway. She is the Bay Area mom accused of killing her 2 teenage children. Potential jurors are being interviewed for a second day, and seating an impartial jury appears to be more difficult with every interview. Laura Harris is live outside Hillsborough County Court this noon with the latest. And Laura, we're hearing today actually started with a little bit of drama.
It was, Dia. Right now, potential jurors are still being interviewed. They're not even breaking for lunch right now. But back to that drama you were talking about, before they even brought any of those jurors into courtroom 1 today, well, the defense had an issue. They told the judge they think these potential jurors have been talking about the case amongst themselves.
And they're just sitting there talking amongst themselves and largely being unhappy with sitting there. So
well, they were all in here at the end of the day yesterday when I told them not to sit there and talk among themselves about certain things, chiefly this case, the people or places involved. In an abundance of caution, bring them in.
And of course, that's against the judge's orders. You're not supposed to talk about anything you may know about that case. Well, after that, the morning was filled with individual questioning from the state and defense with potential jurors about their knowledge of the case and if they think they can give Julie Schenecker a fair trial, despite what they may already know. There have been about 15 jurors questioned to this point. About 9 of them have already been excused for either hardships or their bias. Attorneys working with the same jury pool of 100 from yesterday. They haven't gone into the reserves just yet. 2 of those 100, a married couple. Now, most of the people excused today had something very similar to this to say.
I have 2 children of my own, and it's certainly impactful for me knowing how I deal with my children and the impossibility of certain things going on, which this is one. It's tough for me to take, tough for me to think about, tough for me to understand.
My colleague Tim Jones is inside the courtroom right now, and he just told me they have taken that break for lunch. Right now, we're being told that maybe it could take another 2 days to actually seat this jury. They need 16 jurors, 12 of which will be in the box. 4 of them will be alternates. The state has already said they are not seeking the death penalty in this case, but if Julie Schenecker is found guilty of 2 counts of first-degree murder, she will spend the rest of her life in prison without the possibility of parole. Live at the Hillsborough County Courthouse, Laura Harris, ABC Action News.